One question I get every now and then is what type of meals do I make at home to maintain a calorie deficit? In this video, I'll show you how I make a quick everyday frittata that's good for pretty much any meal. Start out by preheating your oven to 350 degrees, getting an oven-safe pan, and gathering up your ingredients. Crack and season 4 eggs. I'm scrambling them with just a touch of salt and garlic powder. Over medium-high heat, melt a half tablespoon of butter, and then add your filling ingredients. For this variation, I'm using onion, chopped tomatoes, and a little bit of chopped turkey sausage. If you want to calculate your macros, make sure you measure or weigh your ingredients. Saute everything until the onions are translucent and everything's pretty much cooked. This will only take a minute or two. Add your eggs and then mix everything up just a little bit so that the filling isn't stuck all in one place on top. We'll be moving this to the oven and then flipping it over to serve it. So you want a homogeneous mix of all of your ingredients. Add a little bit of shredded cheese on top and then pop it in the oven for about 8 minutes. This is what it looks like when it's done. So flip it over, cut it into 4 wedges, and you've got a really good simple meal. Prepared with this combination of ingredients, each portion contains 171 calories, 12 grams of fat, 307 milligrams of sodium, well, a little bit more because of the egg seasoning, 3 grams of carbs, 2 grams of which are sugar, and 12 grams of protein. The best thing about this recipe is that you can absolutely tailor it to your own needs. If you want more protein, add some egg whites and maybe some blended cottage cheese. If you want more vegetables, just chop them up and saute them. This is just my method for making a very basic frittata, and this is how I eat it. I take it to work, cut up into 4 pieces, and I have it with either a little bit of fruit, a bagel, or maybe a slice of whole grain bread, and that's it. I pretty much make a frittata like this, or some variation of it, every weekend. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Would you like to see more recipes like this with the macros? I'd love to hear from you.